Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Isti Nurul Halida, student from Pamulang University, majoring in communication skill. I live in Ciputat. I will be having a dialogue with a lecturer about education. Okay guys, come on, watch the video. Bye bye.
Sorry, gantian aja. Gantian, pegangin.
Oh ya, Isti ya.
Alasan dulu.
Bentar doang. Merdeka itu kan
Ya, right. Ciputat. You live in Ciputat,
yes.
but it's still Tangerang Selatan. Ciputat. Okay.
What's your opinion on
How many numbers?
Yeah.
10, 12? How many numbers? One. Oh, okay. Three. Okay. The first.
what's your opinion on
Okay. Education is very important for everyone. It's a good way to build the characteristic of someone, to give information, to give knowledge. Okay, education can give someone can improve their ability from education, formal or informal. Not only formal in campus, but you can learn in the outside of campus, from the society, from the community. Okay, but formally, campus can provide knowledge with a good systematic by providing by the lectures, like it can name curriculum, yeah? Right? Okay. You can there is a sharing system with the curriculum. Okay.
why do you think education plays why do you think education plays such an important role in life?
Okay. You remember when Adam is the first man being in the world, God taught kids by naming. What is it? What is it? What is it? Okay? So, human as a representative of God should be a leader to manage the world. So, people or human should know anything in the world. Please manage and get the benefit to use everything for their life. How to produce, how to increase the social welfare. Everything is known from the knowledge, from education side. Yeah, so education is very important. Very important. Education not only in the campus, in the society, in a family. Okay?
Question number 2. How you practice education in Indonesia?
I don't know exactly the rank of educational index. I think the first you should find the data of the rank of the quality of education in Indonesia, and you can compare to ASEAN countries or another countries. If you find the data, so you can make a conclusion where Indonesian position in education quality. Okay, but we should always improve our quality. Yeah, especially for the government. Government should support to provide the best teachers. The government should support the quality teachers, and then schools, how to improve the quality of physical building for schools in Indonesia, and then the program, curriculum. Yeah, the program or curriculum should be adapted or adjusted by the changing of knowledge, by the changing of system in the political, in the culture, and in many aspects. Because we should, or we should compete. We should compete with another countries to prepare people who have a good quality in knowledge and in practical, in many aspects in life.
Okay, do you think Indonesia education system is still for the countries?
System to order or countries. What do you mean?
Do you think Indonesia
Yeah.
education system
Mhm.
is
Still
to other countries?
Oh, to other countries. Okay. How to compare the quality? Maybe some years ago, our position in the behind. But nowadays, government always support to improve our education system, our school facilities, because many lecturers have a good chance to improve themselves in abroad, to study in Cambridge University, in National Technological University in Singapore, NTU, Cambridge, San Francisco, George Washington, so many famous university in the world. Columbia University, Australian University, in China, Europe. So this program is aimed to improve the quality of education in
Introduce yourself, okay, and then try to ask me.
My name is Istina Zanda.
Uh-huh.
I live in Ciputat.
Ciputat.
I'm studying at Universitas Pamulang.
Pamulang University.
Yeah, Pamulang University.
Uh-huh.
I'm sure that.
Oh, nggak, Pak, masuk, Pak. Misi nak, Bapak mau lewat.
Question 1. What is the importance of education in
The importance of education in today's society. Of course, society will depend on education. Education will what we call will shape the society. If a good education in society will make the societies better. But if not, but society will have a massive problem. Okay, that's the answer.
Question
Number two, okay.
How does technology impact the way we learn and teach?
How does the technology
Impact
in face in
the way we learn and teach?
in pace
Impact.
impact
Impact. Yeah.
please impact, so it influence.
Yes.
Yeah, impact is mean influence. So the education, I'm sorry, repeat your question.
How does technology?
Technology will impact a
Yes.
lot in education, so because technology is growing up, and then the technology will help us to make us easier to gain the knowledge and science. That's the questions. My opinion, it will help us in gaining something.
Okay, Mr. Thank you. This answer. Question number 3. What are the benefits of online learning compared to traditional classroom learning?
That's my child. That's my children. What is sini?
What are the benefits of online learning, Pak?
Online learning. So,
Traditional classroom.
if we compare the two type of learning, online learning and traditional learning. So it has its own benefit, the advantage, and also the disadvantage. So if you have an online class, it will short the time, short the financial and others. Also, online learning will have its difficulties. How to face indirectly, indirectly. So it will affect our understanding and comprehension, right? But in our traditional learning, we know that the cost and then the time and others expense will high, yeah. But the advantages are that you can have a good understanding while you have real face-to-face in learning. Yeah, face-to-face traditional things. Yeah, that's my answer.
Answer number 4.
Number 4, yeah, it's okay. Yeah,
Sorry.
just try.
How can education help individual achieve their personal and professional goals?
Yeah, of course, that education will make our ability sharper. Yeah, so it will make it better. Yeah, day by day by using our education. Okay, so it will implement in our skill and ability. By skill and ability will be sharper by your education.
Okay, question number 5.
Number 5, you have the question.
Yes. What role does
What?
What role does critical thinking play in the learning process?
What does critical thinking?
Thinking play in the learning process.
Lots of critical thinking in learning progress, but the most important thing that you will be able to the teacher will be force you to elaborate and explore your mind to have lots of education, but also the teacher will what we call will guide you to get the knowledge even better. Okay, so explore and then elaborate, and then lots of methods and exercises.
Okay, Mr. Thank you for answer question. But yes, aku rasa itu sih tuh.
I think now.
Yes.
I think now.
I think
Enough.
enough.
Thank you for your
Oh,
time.
thank you for
Your time.
your time.
You're welcome. Okay.
Terima kasih.
How can teacher motivate study?
Teacher motivate the student. There are many ways a teacher could motivate the students. Like giving a reward and then give a trigger, something verbally or symbolic way. I think it depends on the situation and the level of education.
How can teacher support English language students?
Language skill, English. In my term, there are many modes that a teacher or a lecturer could give to the students, like from music, and then from the story, from the books, or from this. These days are many English like podcasts, live streaming. It depends how the teacher or lecturer give motivation from the first question.
How can education promote and awareness
Promote education. Sorry, can you repeat the question?
promote environmental
Promote environmental
awareness? Yes.
awareness, environmental awareness.
Yes.
For the students or for
Education.
how the environmental?
Education promote environmental awareness.
Education give effect promote environmental
Yes.
of environmental
Awareness.
awareness. Maybe from the knowledge, if someone already have their basic knowledge and get the requirement from the family, from the institution, like from elementary up to the higher education, and then to broaden the minds, like seeing the news and then read the news. It will help to build or promote the environmental awareness. Yeah, maybe like this ya. Jadi kalau dia sudah paham dan dapat pengetahuan dari berbagai lingkungan, and then he will affect the environmental awareness of surrounding it or her.
What is the role of technology in education?
Very crucial because these days we call as digital era.
Yeah.
That's why any mode move from the traditional to the digital context. Yeah. Also from other era like moving the way how they study. Like for example, is we use virtually from Zoom and Google Meet, and then we use instead of book we use ebook right now. Yeah, and then we use the method of hybrid like learning. It's also use digital and technology, so it will help the institution in any level to move forward. Yeah, because technology in education is used already globally.
How can teacher support student with special needs untuk kebutuhan khusus?
You mean the disability students?
Special needs. Kebutuhan khusus.
Specifically in Unpam or
Yes.
generally?
Tumpang.
Okay, Unpam already has we call it lembaga.
Yeah.
We have also in the first floor. Yeah, we call our university is as university. So we also accept disability students, yeah, who cannot read, who cannot hear, yeah, who cannot speak. They will be supplied and disediakan itu disediakan the tools, yeah, to learn and to adapt from their inabilities.
Oke, Dokter Setia, thank